Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off localization info tag from your photos in the Xiaomi 12C. So at the start, open the camera app, then go to the three-line button and choose settings. Now slide down to the save location info. If you want to remove the localization info from your photos, just switch it off like here and go back to the camera. Take your photo and you will see in the details that you have any information about the localization of this photo. Now on this one you can take one more, and here you can see that we have now any information about your actual position. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.